Here is the Ford Escape. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a hood release lever. Grab it and pull it twice. 1 and 2. Now in front of the vehicle, just grab the hood and lift it up. This hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from over there. Put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right over there is where the engine air filter goes. We have to undo two clips. One over here and the second one in the back over there. Just pull it back. Now we need to lift up this cover, but we can only lift it up properly if we get these two tabs out of the slots over there. One over here and the second one in the back over there. To get it out, lift up that cover at a bit of an angle and then wiggle it out of there. Good. See, now it's out, and this gives us access to the filter now. Just grab the filter and take it right out. There you go. The bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. The dirt is trapped over there. The top side is the clean side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, dirt gets trapped there, clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Get the new filter and then put it back into the air box. And now this is where we have to be patient, because when we put this top cover back in, we have to make sure it sits in properly. The green one, it slides in there, but that blue one, the blue rectangle, that also has to be positioned properly. This is the final result. It should sit in just the way I'm showing over here in this image. And the one in the back, that's the tricky one, but this is what it looks like when it's in place. Now let's do this. Let's get the cover in place and then at an angle, push it in so it slides right in over there. Now this side that is facing outside is easier to see. It's in place now. So let's give it a push, and now it's in place. This is in place, this tab is in its slot, the other one is in its place, and the one in the back is also in its proper place. And only at this point will you be able to just put those two clips back on. Just push them on. If those tabs are not properly in place, this will not work. And that's about it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.